What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Cardano, possibly putting in a truncation here, but we're gonna get into it. So currently we're sitting at 49 cents, up 7.5 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 16.4 billion, 24 volume 1.15 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So we have invalidated this 5-wave move to the downside, where this was wave 1, this is wave 2, because we've come up and we've broken the wave 2. So we may be putting in a truncation where your wave 5 is shallower than your wave 3. And the correction could be over for Cardano. I don't know if it's a likely scenario, because I still think Bitcoin has a good chance of coming down to 10 to 13K, but I could be wrong here. And if that were to be the scenario and Bitcoin breaks out back to the upside, then we could potentially be looking at the bottom for ADA, where this was a wave 3. Right here, we had a wave 4 correction, and we put in that final wave 5. Now we can start to count a 5-wave move to the upside on the hourly time frame here. If I take this out, we can count a 5-wave move where we've come up, we've made wave 1. So here would be your wave 1, and this would be your wave 2 pullback, and currently putting in the wave 3. And within your wave 1, you've made a 5-wave move. So you've come up, you've made wave 1. This is your wave 2 pullback. Here's your wave 3. Your wave 4 was rested right on the support of the wave 1 high, and your final wave 5 to complete the wave 1. You have your wave 2, and potentially putting in a wave 3 if we see continuation here to the upside. Now to measure your wave 3, take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of your wave 1 up to the top, down to the bottom of your wave 2, minimum target 1.618. So we're just going to drop in a little box here for a potential wave 3. Personally, I like to drop it in between the 1.618 and the 2.618, as the wave 3 can get overextended here. So in between about 53 to about 58 cents for Cardano for a potential wave 3. And begin to put in a 5-wave structure to complete a larger wave 1 and a potential reversal to the upside. Unless we simply get rejected, we come down, we lose these lows, then we'd have to be looking at some sort of still going through a corrective pattern. Corrections can be quite complicated with Elliott wave. Right now we have invalidated that move to the upside by coming up and breaking this high. You can see we broke it with this wick here. We could definitely be starting to make a 5-wave move to the upside unless we come down and we lose this wave 2 low. Now, if we pop over to our next chart, this is pretty crucial for ADA. We had a big fake out to the downside, and we've come up and we finally broken this down sloping resistance line. So we can take a measurement here of this triangle pattern, because technically we now have 3 points of contact right here, and once more right here where we've broken out. So we can measure this massive descending triangle. They can break out to the upside. That would take ADA all the way up to this level of resistance, take you up to about 81 cents. It's a major level here, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame. Let me pop this over to the daily. As you can see on the daily time frame, this is a massive level. We have support right here. If we scroll back, I don't think this chart goes back far enough for ADA. Let me pop over another chart here. So we have ADA about 78 cents here. Yeah, so you can see this massive level. See the support in this area. We have support here. We have some support resistance in this area. So that's a big level for our friend Cardano. So we're just going to pop back over to that chart on Coinbase. Okay, perfect. So we have started to break out. So if we see continuation to the upside, your technical target's all the way up here at about 81 cents, which would be a massive rally for Cardano. Look at all this volume, guys. We have reversal volume. We're coming down, low volume. Volume starts to pick up. Can be an early sign of reversal, just like we're seeing with Matic and many of the coins in the market that are just absolutely exploding right now. So in the short term, could definitely be looking at a wave 3 that will take you up in between about 53 to about 58 cents, and then put in a wave 4 correction. The only way to invalidate that is to come down and break this wave 2 low. Then we'd have to be looking at a different structure. But most of the market is breaking out right now. So we could definitely see Cardano follow suit. We are trending towards overbought on the hourly, as well as on the 4-hour. So we could definitely see a little bit of pullback from this level. So that's pretty much it for this one. We're making some juicy profits with our Gala trade, currently up 50%. I'm on 5x leverage, but I do give trade signals for my exact entries, exits, and take profits. For my leverage trades, for my spot trades, I also show what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays, and we also have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it. You can sign up to the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, you can sign up to Bybit. $4,500 in bonuses. That's where I do all my trading. And I have a full length tutorial. You can check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.